Come on, come on. Twisting, turning, absolutely big cash money, spinning and winning. There we go, 175x. Looking absolutely beautiful. Let's get back to it, guys. Let's go do it. Hey! Time to fly again. Thanks for joining you on Coin Flip. Got 144 rings. There you go. There you go. That's beautiful. Congratulations. Honey 27, it's your boy, rock and roll the world. What's his system now? She doesn't work here no more. She doesn't work here no more. She is in a different field of work now. So, honey 20, no more Ronnie spinning the wheel. No more. One with a 3x, ladies and gentlemen. 900 euros, 451 euros, 400, 347, 232. Very, very cool. Come on. Fly away, style away, profile away, guys. Who do we get? Woo! Who do we have? Bye-bye. Nothing on the top slot, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. Wait, who's your sister, mate, if you don't mind me asking? Ronster. Ronnie. Guys, got ourselves a beautiful tube. She doesn't work here no more. She doesn't work here for more than a year already, so, you know. That's that. Guys, here we go. Flying, styling, and profiling away. Flying, styling, and profiling away. Come on. Guys, everyone telling me that you missed that crazy time. Do it again. Guys, come on. Are you seriously expecting me to say, oh, you missed it? Well, of course, let me do it again. Like it's up to me or something. Guys, come on. You know that this is a game of chance. This is a gamble. When the big wins happen, you better be here. Woo! Because you never know when they're going to happen again. You never know. You never know. Time to go. But yeah, the yellow flapper indeed with the 800x. The cash was beautiful. The money looked amazing. Amazing bracelets. Oh, yeah. Time with the 15x. Mama! Check it. Oh, look at that pachinko money. That's what I want to see, baby cash. The highest we've gotten on the pachinko is a 40x. Let's see if we can make it better this time. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. 3x, 5x, 7x, 10x, 15, 20. That's it. 20 is the max, huh? All right, guys. Nature Kid is ready to do it. Come on, 20x. I hope we get that. Well, that's good. And you were trying to jinx it, saying 7x, said Graciela. Kentot also said the 7.